Here's how to add graphic elements on a page in your Canva template. First of all, you head over to your left panel and click on this button, Elements. Okay, and let's say you want to search for a floral element to replace what you have here. So you can delete this floral element on this page and you can put your own. So just type in florals, and Canva will give you numerous designs and options to choose from. I suggest to choose something that you can edit the colors, like something like this. Okay, and then you can put it on your page here like that, and you can change the color to something very sweet, something like that. Okay, and you can tilt it like that. All right, you can also send it to back. All right, so it's sitting behind your other elements. And then let's say you want to change this banner. So we'll go to your elements again and search for banner. And Canva will give you numerous options to choose your banner as well. And let's say I'll choose this one. Okay, I want to replace what I have, so I'm just gonna delete this and use this one instead. I think we use this one instead, or maybe we can use something like this one instead. Okay, you can just delete and then just put it up here, and then you can easily change the colors to something that is similar to the color of your other floral graphic. That's super simple, and that is how you add your graphic elements on a page in your template.